All right, we have the diesel heater running. Now we don't know exactly how it's going to work, or if it's going to work, or what. And then the fuel is in the fuel line. It's not really blowing that hot of an air right now, but the fuel pump is down there, clicking away. Air's blowing out the exhaust. Power lines are hidden. I've got one going under the carpet and the other one going around. So I've got my cheap instructions right here, so hooray for me. Got the diesel in the diesel tank here turning away. Let's see this right here. Yeah, it might be done. There's the exhaust. I guess that's going to die on me. But anyway, you just have to go through the processes of checking out what's wrong with it and stuff like that. H5. We'll see you on the next one.